India's growth is powered by skill in manufacturing, services, and agriculture. Under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, the Directorate General of Training, DGT, offers industry-focused vocational training through the Craftsmen Training Scheme delivered through ITI across India. CTS offers training in more than 169 trades designed to prepare students for practical careers and real-world opportunities. After completing 10th standard, students aspiring to become skilled technicians can choose a trade aligned with their interests and career goals. For students looking to build a career in electronics servicing and repair, CTS offers the trade of mechanic consumer electronic appliances. From homes and service centers to appliance showrooms, manufacturing units, and electronics brands, trained technicians play a vital role every single day. In this 2-year CTS program, from day one, students receive hands-on practical training using industry-relevant tools, machines, and real workshop environments. Students learn electronic fundamentals, circuit theory, television and audio system repair, washing machine and microwave oven servicing, air conditioner maintenance, fault diagnosis, soldering techniques, and safety practices using industry-relevant tools and workshop training. Trainees receive the National Trade Certificate, NTC, awarded under NCVET, recognized across industries in India and abroad. Career opportunities are available across consumer electronics service centers, home appliance companies, TV and audio system manufacturers, e-commerce repair service providers, and telecom retailers. Start businesses and become entrepreneurs. ITI trainees who passed out can continue their professional journey through the Craft Instructor Training Scheme, CITS, and become instructors for the next generation of skilled professionals. Your future can begin with a skill. Learn today, lead tomorrow.